Hello, wonderful boys and girls, and welcome to Learning with Avant-garde Books. I'm Cherie Hardy, and today we will be learning about the P sound. That's right, the P sound. What I would like for you to do is get in a very comfortable place. Just get relaxed so that we can learn about the sound that the P makes. Wonderful scholars, when you look at your screen, you will see the letter P. You would see it capitalized and lowercase. P is a consonant, and it can be at the beginning of words, words like pig or pony or pond. P can also be in the middle of words. There are words like grape, hippo, and apple that have the P in the middle of them. And you also have words where P is at the end of the word, like stop or map, tulip or sheep. So we're going to be focusing on the letter P, and you will see it in many different places within a word. Let's get started. Here is the alphabet that we use in the English language. This alphabet is also used for other languages like French and Spanish. And we have 5 vowels, and the rest of the letters we have 21 consonants. P is a consonant, and that is what we are going to focus on in this presentation. And what that means when I say consonant, it simply means that the P has one sound, like P, like in pepper or pins or pie or panda. Let's keep going. And I'm so proud of you. I have to say, I am so proud of you, and just keep learning and listening. What sound does the letter P make? Well, it makes the P sound, like in picture and pins. I would like for you to say these words after me. Picture, pins, here are more words with the letter P at the beginning of the word. We have pony and parrot. Pony, parrot. Did you hear the P sound in those words? Now we have pond and pie. Pond and pie are words with the P sound at the beginning. Now, boys and girls, I would like for you to say these words after me. They both start with the P sound. Panda, pear. Let's do it one more time. Panda, pear. You did a wonderful job. These two words, boys and girls, have the P sound in the middle. Look at the word on the left. We have apple. Apple. Did you hear the P sound? Now we have a word that has the P at the beginning and also in the middle. A word like popcorn. Do you like popcorn? I do. Let's say these words together. Apple, popcorn. You did a fantastic job. Let's keep learning. These two words also have P in the middle of them. Let's say them together. Copper, pumpkin. Copper, pumpkin. Now we have grape, hippo. Grape and hippo both have the P sound in the middle of them. You are doing a fantastic job. What do these two words have in common? Well, they both end with the P sound. Let's say them together. We have stop and mop. Repeat them after me. Stop, mop. These two words rhyme and they both end with the P sound. We have map and wrap. Map and wrap. Repeat these words after me. Trip and lip. Trip ends with the P sound, and lip also ends with the P sound. Don't ever forget your learning potential is limitless. Do these two words rhyme? No, they don't, but they both have the P sound. They both end with the letter P. Let's say them together. Tulip, sheep. Tulip, sheep. Did you hear the P sound at the end of those words? Now, wonderful scholars, let's get some practice saying more words with the P sound. In the first column, we have words that start with the letter P. I will say the word, and then would you please repeat after me? Pear, pail, Pam, pin, popcorn, pumpkin, push. You did a phenomenal job. Now, for column 2, we have words where the P sound is in the middle of the word. Let's say these words together. Apple, cape, cope, grape, lapel, notepad, stapler. Great job. And our last column, I bet you know what these words have in common. They all end with the letter P. Let's say them together. Lip, cap, map, nap, sheep, tulip, and warp. Wow, you did a great job. And now let's get some comprehension practice. All right, boys and girls, look at the screen and tell me which word has the P sound. Look to your left and look to your right. You're right. You did a good job because pot has the P sound. It starts with the letter P. Which of these words have the P sound? Do you know which word has the P sound? I bet you do because you are so smart. You are right. Lamp ends with the letter P. Lamp ends with the P sound. All right, can you figure out which of these words have the P sound? Well, if you said party, you're right. Party begins with the P sound. Out of these two words, which one has the P sound? I bet you know the answer. You got it right. Popcorn has the P sound. It begins with the P, and also the P is in the middle of the word. You are absolutely amazing, and thank you so much for listening and learning with Avant-garde Books. All right, you have two pictures here. Look at them carefully and tell me which word has the P sound. Actually, both words have the P sound because you have shrimp and you have map. Shrimp and map both end with the P sound. We have one more slide for comprehension. All right, wonderful scholars, this is our last comprehension slide. You can see the words on your screen. Which one has the P sound? You said paint and you got it right. Paint does begin with the letter P. I am so proud of you. Wow, you have been wonderful students. You learned about the letter P. The letter P can be at the beginning of words like pig, like popcorn, and paint. P can also be in the middle of words like grape, hippo, apple, and also the letter P can be at the end of words like stop, map, tulip, and sheep. Do you think you can say the P sound? Yes, you can. And you can recognize the letter P in hundreds of words. Well, beautiful scholars, again, I can't say enough how proud I am of you. Continue learning and continue growing. When you get a chance, let us know what you learned today. You can contact us through Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I want to thank you for listening, watching, and learning with Avant-garde Books. Have a beautiful day.